Hello everyone, it is me, Valerie Rivas, the CEO of Royale Classy Creations, where we create customized classy designs that showcase our clients' individual style, leaving their guests astounded. I am here today for it was another DIY tutorial for you. It's a Valentine's inspired candelabra bling centerpiece that had a little bit of technical difficulty as far as completing that DIY video. It will not upload. So I do have a small video of the setting and how everything looked once it was finished. And if I can get this to act right, I will definitely place this video on YouTube for you guys, okay? First, want to say thank you to all of the new subscribers, and I hope you will share, and continue to look for us on YouTube with more video tutorials for you guys. So I'm just gonna let you guys see what happened afterwards after I put everything together. I do apologize. I'm just having some issues with this camera for some reason. Not sure, but I'm gonna get it fixed for you guys, and then we'll have some new stuff coming up for you on next week. So stay tuned, and as always, be royale, be classy, and be creative.